And Bob said, yeah, that sounded like a ghost.
Yeah.
And Bob is Daddy.
And then what happened?
Well, and then Bob hit this up. Where was it down? That was creepy down.
I bet it was.
And I had no way to get.
Oh man, then what did you do?
I tried to go. Tried to go again, but I couldn't go.
What did Daddy do?
Well, was that a ghost? Because Bob said,
How did he say it? Wow.
like a ghost.
Wow.
And that was a creepy sound. And you know what Dad did?
What?
He was like, was that a ghost?
And then what did he do?
I always tell you that, was that a ghost?
Yeah. What did he do after that?
He tried to come this way and grab the phone and cigarette. Grab these cigarettes.
Oh man, that's gross.
And those are your cigarettes.
Yeah.
He tried to smoke all the cigarettes.
Who did?
Daddy.
He did? Oh my goodness.
I mean Christian. Well, Christian and Jason.
They would be in big trouble if they did.
Well, they did. Jason drank on
Oh my
the
goodness.
cigarette.
That's bad for them. They would be in trouble if they did that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's what happened when you went camping?
Yeah. Yeah, that was Bob making that noise.
What noise?
Bob's making that.
What did the noise sound like?
Oh, it's a creepy sound.
Oh yeah? Like a ghost?
Yeah.
Like how did it sound?
Oh, ghost sounds like, and he did the rest of the stuff like this. That too.
Like how?
No, he flipped.
Uh-oh.
He picked this up and goes BAM!
Man. Bob's a strong cat.
And I was like, what was that sound? I don't know what that sound was. It sounded like a creepy sound. And I don't know what to do.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What else did you guys do when you were camping?
I played poison there and I came out because that creepy sound.
Yeah.
And I was going to see what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was Bob.
That's cool. At least it was just Bob. You're safe out there. You know that, right?
Yeah, there was no ghost.
Mommy and Daddy would never take you anywhere you weren't safe. Yeah, and there's no ghosts.
Or bad mom.
No. Those are all just pretend.
That was my dream last night.
Oh, was it really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ghost picked me up.
They did?
Yeah. And
And-
dropped me in some yucky water.
And how did they sound?
Like, boo!
Oh. That didn't sound like the sound Bob made at all.
No, it's like, boo!
That's loud.
Yeah. What the heck? What was that?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
He tried to talk at me.
Oh, yeah?
And the guy was like, boo!
Oh, yeah?
And the guy was like, boo!
Oh, yeah?
And the mom was like, boo.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
That's funny.
And
Yeah.
the band is this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and you were the mommy.
I was. Yeah.
And that was the dad ghost.
Oh, yeah?
And I was the baby.
Oh.
Well, actually, I wasn't.
You weren't a ghost?
No.
No.
My brother was the Jason was the baker, and Christian and Bobo was the blood.
Oh.
Well, the brother ghost.
Oh, wow.
And I wasn't a ghost at all.
Oh, wow, that's weird.
And so, well, my ghost picked me up, and she tried to talk to me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd she say?
She said, I believe you belong somewhere else.
Is that what you said?
Yeah, because they belong somewhere else. She said, well, you lived at our, well, you guys lived at our house with me and Daddy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
But we didn't belong there?
Well, you did belong there.
Oh. And you did too, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And though I was a ghost.
Oh.
But you ghosts were nice.
Oh, well, that's good. I'm glad we were nice.
You were nice. Yeah.
That's good.
That was my dream last night.
Oh, that's a cool dream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Again, it happened. A mean ghost was there.
Oh,
at our
no.
house. And you ghosts and I woke up.
Oh, that's good.
And you looked at someone.
Is that the end?
No. And then there's a nurse. There's a queen. Just going on Jay's lip.
Wow.
And I was like, what the heck? I don't know what that was. What's that sound? I can't think of that sound. That's how I get.
Oh, well, that was a cool dream.
Oh, and then he spilled water on my head and spilled water in my eye.
Oh.
The water goes in my eye.
I hate when that happens. Your brother should be getting home soon.
That's how it goes, because the water was more.
Oh. I love you. So.
Can you tell me the rest of the story? Can you tell me the rest of the story?
Sure.